Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Now continue with this chapter, chapter 12, work we do. So let's start. Remember and write. So see in your textbook, first question is, what work does Dipali do in her own house? So we already seen in story, preparing food, then cleaning the house, washing the utensils, helping her mother, and takes her sister to school. So you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now second question is, do you also do household work? If yes, what? So yes, I help my mother in arranging things properly at home. Sometimes I also chop vegetables. Now third question is, besides household work, do you do any other work at home? If yes, what? No, apart from household work, I do not do any other work at home. Now, given below are some daily activities shown on the face of the clocks. At what time of the day you do them? So, see in your textbook, some clocks are given. So, you have to draw hour hand and minute hand. Okay. So, wake up in the morning. I wake up 6 o'clock. So, you have to draw hour hand and minute hand. Okay. Now 7:30 I go to school. Now 1:30 I return from school. Now 4 o'clock sit down to study at home. Now 5:30 I go to play, and 10 o'clock sleep at night. Okay. So you have to draw hour hand and minute hand in your textbook. Okay, according to your time schedule. Now next, which of your family members do household work? What work do they do? So here family members and work they do. So mother keeps home tidy and cooks food. Okay, and grandmother gives instruction to the maid so that she cleans home well. Okay. Now which your family members work to earn money? Again one table is given to you, family members and work they do. So father, grandmother and elder brother. So father is a doctor, grandfather is a professor and elder brother is IT professional. Now, which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? So, my mother and elder sister do all the household work but do not get any money for it. Right? We all know. Now, find out from your grandparents what work they did when they were children. So, I know that help his father in farming work, collect wood for burning, help in cleaning the house, and help her mother in household work. Okay. Now next, Sarla asked her grandmother, means Nani, the same question. Nani replied, when I was a child, I would help my elders to collect firewoods. This one is firewoods, right? Make cow dung cakes. Here we can see that this lady make cow dung cakes and plaster walls with cow dung. Now we have a stove that works on gobar gas. The floor and the walls of our house are cemented. There is no need for Sarla to do some of the jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood, right? Now you had written about that work you do and the work done by your elders in their childhood. Is there a change? Yes, there is a lot of change in the work done by our elders and work we do today. Okay, so present day children spend most of their time either studying or playing. they are not allowed to do a lot of work. Now, Dipali had to leave school to do household work. Find out if there are any children in your neighborhood who are over 5 years and do not go to school. So yes, there are two 6 years old children staying next to my society. They do not go to school since their parents are daily laborers working on the farm. They have to stay at home and look after their younger brothers or sisters. We all know, right? And we see many children in our society. Now talk to any two children and find out why they do not go to school. This child like which kind of school, write about it. So in your textbook this type of questions are given. Name of the first child. So child name is Mayur. Reason for not going to school. So reason is to help his parents to earn money. And what you like the most in the school. So Mayur likes the most in the school is drawing room and library. Now name of the second child. So second child is Raj. So reason for not going to school. So reason is to look after his younger brother. Okay. And what you like the most in the school? So Raj like the most in the school is playground. So you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Thank you children. I will send PDF file of chapter 12 work we do. You have to write in your science notebook.